Hello once again, this is your Highland Travelers. We have a quick update for people of Mountain Province, sir and ma'am, because the Greenlight Driving School is offering a scholarship program for free TDC and PDC for application of a non-professional driver's license in line with their advocacy for road safety. But take note, for those who want to avail this scholarship, you must know how to drive. This scholarship program is sponsored to us by Sir Joe Anthony P. Lalwet. So, sa mga gusto magkaroon ng student permit, kailangan nyo pong kunin yung TDC. And this is the requirements. At least 17 years old with parents' consent, PSA certificate, present the original and you submit the photocopy. Valid ID, same as true, kailangan po yung original pero magsasubmit po kayo ng photocopy. And kung pwede, kumuha na kayo ng application form sa Greenlight Driving School. And i-assist na nila kayo to create your LTO ID. So yung TDC po natin is composed of 15 hours. Dalawang araw po yan, either 7 to 8 hours na lecture, okay? Pag every session matatapos yan, pa-examine kayo para makuha nyo po yung inyong TDC certificate. So after po makakuha kayo ng TDC, pupunta na kayo ng LTO office sa Bontoc area, then mag-apply na kayo for your student permit and hintayin nyo ang 31 days para ma-renew natin for non-professional. For those who want to renew also their student permit, kailangan nyo pong kunin yung ating PDC, the Practical Driving Course. Ayan. This is a requirement when applying for non-professional driver's license. Depending on driver's license code. A is for motorcycle, A1 tricycle, B light vehicle, B1 light vehicle also, and B2 is light pa rin, hindi siya heavy. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Sayang po yung ino-offer ni Sir Sir Joe Anthony P. Lalwet na scholarship. Kaya kailan, ang kayot, adi kayo umagyat at itabot-tabunan nyo da kami no wada kayo sang kalsada. Nya.